Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be saying well, I don't know. I don't really know how to start this intro. I kind of just winged it, just recorded. That's like whatever comes off the top of my head, I'll just say. And right now I'm trying to log into Minecraft, but it's not letting me. There it is. Full screen this. Oh. Hope you guys can still see this. If not, I'm just gonna be talking to nothing. Let me just make sure. Hello? Okay, yeah, you guys are still here. Okay. Well, let's try that again. But yes, today I'm going to be playing Minecraft on a, what's it called again? I'm not Epic Gamer on Minecraft. Okay, well, yeah, I'm gonna be playing Minecraft. I'm gonna be playing multiplayer. But while I'm playing multiplayer, I'm going to be playing one of the scariest dreams that I've had. This happened to me like a week ago. I was too scared. Well, I was scared for like a day, and then I was gonna record this video, but I was too lazy, and I kind of just, what was I gonna say again? I don't know, but I kind of just forgot to record it, and, well, I'm just gonna tell you a scary story. Well, there's kind of two parts to it, and it makes more sense if I tell both parts. The first part was, I just moved into this new neighborhood, and, it was like a scary neighborhood. People were like saying how haunted this place was, and obviously none of us believed it. We just thought they were all crazy people. And then we all go to sleep. Our parents sleep in like the downstairs, you know, and then, I'm getting clapped. And then, while we're sleeping, this dog comes out of nowhere and just starts attacking us, and I have to slam my foot into the doll's face so that, I'm getting clapped, I died. I have to slam my foot into the doll's face like 40 different times. What? Huh? What? Okay, I'm back. No, please save me. No, please die. Little boy. It's my hiding corner. Die! No, I said. And then I wake up. I'm like sweating from every armpit. I'm literally in a bath of sweat. I'm literally burning inside. And then, I wake, I'm dead. Okay, and then I wake up. And then I wake up and I'm like super scared. And then the next part is, I'm getting clapped right now. I'm not winning this one. Just gonna start running. Fire! I got him. I got the little boy. I'm gonna die. I've never won a single duel in my life. Oh! Oh, he's at 4 hearts. He's at 3 hearts. Woo! Woo! I'm dead. Aww. And then, like, just 3 parts. And then, I wake up. And then I go back to sleep the next night. And, I go in the exact same dream. Except this time I'm riding a bike. And I'm, like, on the edge. And you know, like, those little things on, like, the side of an escalator? And they're, like, the little furry thingies. And then I'm riding my foot against that, and it's on like the side of the street. I don't know why, but It's an imagination, so it's in my dream, so nothing really makes sense. But yeah, and then that happened, and then some crazy guy comes out of nowhere, and then takes my bike and rips it apart. I don't know how. And then I go back to my house, and the exact same thing happens. The dog comes into the room. I slam my foot against his head, like boom, 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 and then it's destroyed. And then I've pooped my pants like 4 times. No, I'm just kidding. That's a lie. But I'm super scared. And then I wake up. It's like 6 in the morning. And I go and watch TV. And then the next part, the exact same thing pretty much happens, except this time, the dog doesn't get destroyed on the first couple hits. And then it just like starts blowing up the house. And then I get super, super scared. And then I die. And then I wake up, and yeah, that's pretty much the whole story. Now I want to play a game. I have no idea when this video is gonna end because the software that I'm using to record this, like the website thing that records this, it has like a 15-minute timer on it. So yeah, I have no idea when this is gonna end. So it's just going to end randomly, and the people that are not going to watch it the full way are going to be super confused once like the video ends, and then it's like nothing. It's just blankness. And yeah. What? Back up. Wait, can you go anywhere? Do I still have sticky keys? Yeah, I still got sticky keys. Oh, this sucks. Oh, it's only 7 minutes. Oh, okay. Okay, well, I still got some time. Okay. While I wait for people to join, I don't know what else to do, because I wasn't really planning on playing Minecraft, like, actually playing it. I was, like, planning on making, like, this video. But, yeah. I don't really know what to do or say or do anything because they didn't plan anything. Oh, I got that flower right there. Hey-ya! Come to me. Did I see that too? Did I see that flower right there? I'm not sure. Okay. She Neo jumped into there? This girl? I can't read her name. Whatever that says. Yeah! If I can even make it up here. Yeah! I'm so good at this. I suck. I like how I say I'm so good at this, and then the next thing I say is oh, I didn't even jump! It sucks. Oh, this is pixel paint. Oh, I remember this. This doesn't work. Hold on, wait. Oops! Wrong button. Oh, okay, we'll get the trick. 8 minutes left. I hope this video just doesn't end randomly when I don't want it to end. Okay, let's go. Okay, what do I do? Hello? What do I do? I'm scared. Oh, this is like a tail tag. Ah! They cheated. You guys saw them. They were hacking, right? Why did it say no gas? I don't know why I said no gas. Oh, this guy's gonna get hit and get chomped in the face. Wait a second. That sheep can definitely fit right through there. What if I walk into this wall? Okay, well I lost super sheep. That sucks. Avoid the smoke by jumping over. What? I'm so good at this. Yeah. Yeah. So good. There's nothing. What? They're cheating me. That sucks. Bomb something? Are those things gonna be shot at me? I'm definitely dead. It's pretty slow. Can I see how slow this is? Like, come on. This is all you're throwing at me? This? Half of them aren't even landing close to me. Oh, I'm dead! I like how I was just complaining how easy this was, and then the next thing that happens is I die. And that sucks. Okay, well, I'm gonna win this. Did we just jump? Wait, I'm gonna die. Oh, I barely made that one. Barely made that one. Oh, got you. Okay. I have no idea how I'm gonna land it. I died. Okay, what? That's dumb. What? I suck at this. Yes, I'm so good at this. What? Nah, I landed in water. This game's cheating me. Got it. That sucks. I'm so dead. Okay, I get it. I'm just gonna jump and just go. Just turn around, not even know what I'm looking at. Oh, I lived. I'm cheating. I totally didn't. How much grass am I eating? Aw, man. I'm not eating much. I'm kind of eating the outer edges. Does punching count as eat? Well, now I know for sure I'm not coming in last. This punching thing is working. I don't know how loud this is, but yeah. What? Nah, they cheated. Oh. I'm gonna punch everyone off. Okay, well, where do I punch them off at? E. Okay, well, that wasn't that hard. E. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. I see you guys in the next video. Bye.